I finally received my two rear window regulators in the post today. Presumably they're made in China. I couldn't get any particular brand information out of them, but they seem to be pretty reasonable quality anyway. I did admittedly try to rebuild my original regulator with a kit that came without a motor, but I learnt the hard way that there is an early and late version motor and they're not interchangeable. I have the early version, and the late version seems to be the only one you can get as a kit to rebuild, and they're completely not compatible. Even the cable length is different, so it just does not work. So I gave up with that idea and went ahead and purchased these complete aftermarket units. Now they did, for some unknown reason, come with the wrong connectors on the cables, but they did provide these I terminals, and this is after I have installed them. I'd probably recommend installing them once the regulators are in the car, because the cables are actually too long. So this is the unit already fitted to the passenger right side, and this is the testing of the unit. Thankfully my car is now back together. But having noticed that the new one moves a lot faster than the left side, I just had to change that one as well. Now it's possible that I could have sped that up by greasing it with new grease, but I'm not sure it would have made that much difference. I'm pleased to note that the inside of my door is in very good condition. As you can see, the original cavity wax is all still in place, and there is no corrosion at all. That's just dirt inside there. There is no corrosion whatsoever. Having said that, this car hasn't exactly had a hard life. It's never really been left out in the rain. It's obviously never had harsh weather. This is after the new left one is installed. It's a lot more symmetrical. Not 100%, but you can't really expect that. It's a close race.